Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're going to talk about some video editing tips for the GoPro Hero 7 White. I just realized I don't have enough light, so I have to add that light over there. Anyway, before we head out to use the GoPro, take some shots of the streets and surrounding buildings, we have to talk about some basic settings that you need to know. Very simple settings that you need to know about the GoPro Hero 7 White. This is the most basic GoPro that you can get. I would say this is the best budget GoPro that you can get. There's not a lot of settings that you can play around with, but it works for me. So I've been using this GoPro for a while now, and I don't have any plans yet to replace it. So let's go through the settings. Okay, let's go to basic settings here for the GoPro. I'm controlling it from my iPhone. Let's just go to the GoPro app. It's connected right now. Go to settings. So as I mentioned, this is a very basic GoPro White that you can get. There are only two resolutions, but the one that will give you a wide view is a 1080. If you can see it, 1080. So if we're selecting 1080 frames, I'm choosing 30 frames per second. And for the field of view, it has to be wide for cinematic effect. And then just hit done, and we're ready. So let's head out, take some videos. So we're just going around the neighborhood of Lincoln Park. Let's pan left and right. So that's a good shot there. A quick zoom to this beautiful church, and right through the fence. We'll use that blocking here to show the street. There's a good linear perspective here using this pedestrian. We'll do another shot later with a similar path. A close-up of nature here, and then we'll do another close-up near the water. So that's a good shot with a good background of the pond. We're actually at the North Pond right now at Lincoln Park. Then we'll do a shot of the buildings here, and then shot of the sky, and then go down. We'll take another shot later on. Now we'll focus on this tree, and then do a reveal shot of the water again. Then there's a perspective shot of the bench here at the park. And then probably take a shot of me here walking away, and then we'll do a quick edit later on, and then do another shot of me walking back. Then let's go to another shot of the sky, and then pan down, shot of the water. This will be attached to the previous one with the same sky. This is a circular shot of the fountain here. Another shot here, close-up shot of the branch with the background of the buildings around it. This is the Hamilton statue. We'll do a circular shot of it, and then focus on the bushes here, and then another shot. We can continue with this shot like a transition, some sort of transition. There's a reveal shot, sample of a reveal shot, and then we're gonna put that in the video later on. A perspective shot of the bicycles here at the park. I like the color, the blue color against the melting snow and the park here. Let's go around this corner, and then to reveal the street, we'll put that in transition also. And there's a lot of nice buildings around here. I really like this neighborhood. And then a shot of this interesting building. Another shot of the street, then focus, pan to the sky, shot of the buildings, and then a quick shot of the corner here with that yellow awning, and then focus on that. on that structure with the yellow awning. It's another interesting building here, Brewster Building. It's one of the landmark buildings here in Lincoln Park. It's a good shot of that one. And then another here, going towards the building, and then turn to the street. Let's do that also for the transition later on when we edit the video. Quick shot of the bushes. We can attach this to the one by the Hamilton statue, like a transition. A quick shot of the another interesting building here, lamp post here. That's a nice one. Show the details of it, and then show the street. And the details here also are very interesting. I think I'll use that one too. Another interesting apartment building here. And then we see the linear pedestrian steps again. Pedestrian lane again. So we'll use that one. Quick shot of the bricks here to reveal the buildings. And then a shot closer to the building. We can attach that one to the previous one. Then this one is interesting. You see, we pick it through the hole, and then we'll do let's edit that. Continuous shot showing the street. Okay, we're back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna review all the videos that we took, and then do some editing, do the basic transitions, maybe do some color editing, and let's see what we can come up with. If you like this video, hit the like and share if you want to share it with other people. Hit the notification too if you like some notification for other videos coming out. Going to the Philippines soon, so I'm excited about it. Subscribe, appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.